Hello, College Algebra. I just wanted to reach out to you to say hello and welcome you to the course. So a couple of things that you need to be aware of. So announcements, I will put announcements out. Make sure you're checking those announcements throughout the week. The other thing that you want to look for is some of those course resources. There is a web-based scientific calculator here. One thing to absolutely know with the calculator, when you're doing the interest, what you absolutely want to do is carry as many decimal places as possible. You don't want to round along the way because your work may be incorrect if you do. There's a link here for tutor.com for the course resources, and on the left there's a tutor.com online tutoring. That's a free 24-hour availability of a tutor to help you with live questions. There's Khan Academy out here, and there's a welcome statement. It gives you a little bit of explanation about what is Knowledge Path. There is a pre-class assignment in Knowledge Path that's due November 1st. In addition to week 1 Knowledge Path and the week 1 discussion. The week 1 discussion is asking you to describe how the concepts you have learned helped you become familiar, more financially literate, and also how would you use this knowledge in your own financial future. You are expected to answer both questions. Your post should be approximately 150 to 200 words. Submit your post by Thursday at midnight. You also want to reply to your peers. Your reply post should be 50 to 75 words. If I come over here, these 3 dots, show rubric, what this is going to show you is what I'm going to grade you on. Addresses the weekly learning objectives. That's the 2 questions. Did you answer them thoroughly? Research and evidence. Don't just rely on your feelings. For question 1, I need you to do a little bit of research. Writing, is it a well-written, no spelling or grammatical errors? Peer responses, this is really important. Out of the total of 50 points, 15 of them would come from more than 3 peer responses. 3 peer responses would get you 12 points. 2 peer responses get you 9 points. 1 peer response gets you 6 points, and no peer responses get you 0 points. If you don't respond to your peers, this is a discussion board. You can only get up to a 70% on your discussion. A lot of students do not realize that, and it's a really tough place to be in. The next thing that we want to look at is the knowledge path pieces. So if we click on the knowledge path, load week 1 knowledge path. I am not going to load this only because it's going to come up with the question with everybody's grades. I do take a look at it through the week. Today is already Wednesday. That means you should have already gotten in and you should have already worked on that pre-knowledge and also you should be working on that week 1. Note that this is for next week, so you have 1 full week before that this absolutely needs to get done. It is always better to work ahead rather than behind. Good luck, and please, please, please reach out with questions. Another thing you need to know, this is the first time that we're using the College Algebra Knowledge Path. What I need you to do is I need you to screenshot or query any questions that you feel are marked incorrectly. So the knowledge path and then also the problem set and the quiz, if you think they're incorrect, you need to query them. And that will allow me to know I can fix it and give you points for it or let you know where it was incorrect. It also allows us to fix it in the system. Thank you so much, and I look forward to working with each of you.